Next up, we have oral presentation 27, Sumter, South Carolina, Team 2, Mission 12 Finalist Proposal.
We are a group of students from Alice Drive Middle School, Sumter, South Carolina. My name is Juliana. To my right is Lakota, Grayson, and Emma. We had Samantha, unfortunately, could not be here with us today. The title of our experiment, this thing is more sensitive than I thought. The title of our experiment is The Effect of Microgravity on Diffusion and Brownian Motion of a Powdered Substance. The purpose of this experiment is to know whether a powdered substance, will not only diffuse under the effects of microgravity, but remain that way. Okay.
The research. We had to research 3 things: Brownian motion, diffusion, and gelatin. Brownian motion is a repeated but rapid and random movement of particles suspended in a liquid. But diffusion is the movement of molecules from a high region of concentration from a low region of concentration. Just like air freshener. You spray it in one place and eventually it will spread to the whole room. And we use gelatin because gelatin is colorless and flavorless, water-soluble protein created from acids, gelatin, and proline. And we used it to solidify the project so we can see it better when it came out. The pre-flight experiment, when we made the pre-flight experiment, we had to also make our hypothesis. And our hypothesis was if a powdered substance was placed in microgravity, then the molecules will diffuse, but the substance will not separate completely. We performed many trials using the FME tubes, using clear gelatin. The time taken for the particles to fully dissolve will average at about 57.5 seconds. We used our average to help us select the time we needed for the astronauts to shake our FME tube.
For the packing of our FME tube, Volume 1 would consist of 3.5 milliliters of purified drinking water. Volume 2 consists of 2.5 grams of Kool-Aid powder. Volume 3 consists of 2 grams of gelatin powder. And although we have not been selected for the flight, we only needed the crew to release clamp A and shake for 1 minute on day A+2, and on day U+2, I guess, the crew will unclamp clamp B. And the additional questions we aspired to answer were, will particles like salt and sugar dissolve while under the effects of microgravity, and will solutions like baby formula and liquid medicines remain as solutions in microgravity?
We would like to give a special thank you to our school faculty and our professional advisor, Lori Smith. And another special thank you to the local families and organizations for making all this work possible. And these are the sources we use. Thank you.